valve hooked up. That's why there's no vacuum. The check engine light's on because I don't have the other O2 sensor that the computer's looking for. And yeah, I need some gas. That's how she should sound though. Timing's all adjusted. Now onto the injectors, blow off valve, fuel pump, and gotta get that bitch wired in. Blow off valve. Anyway, one didn't work. Fuel pump. Where's this a Wallbarrow 255? Fuel pump and some Bosch 550s, 550cc. I also got a fuel line going from the fuel filter to the fuel rail. Nylon, I think it's AN6. It's either AN6 or 10. That's 6. Got the new blow off valve in. Seems to be working good. Changed the fuel line. It uses the stock banjo bolts. It just replaces that line. Got a clutch reservoir, K-tuned. It's kind of a tucked look. Also got the clutch line. It's also tucked. Can't see it. Alright, got the wideband all wired up. It's running super rich right now. Just dumping fuel in, it needs to be tuned. Got the HKS blow-off valve hooked up. Seems to be working fine. No more sputtering from the turbo. The eBay one just wasn't doing it. Trying to make sure everything's running right after the motor swap. It's idling a little high, but not bad at all. I adjust the throttle table a little bit better. Stage 4 competition clutch though, 6-putt. Going through the gears, staying out of boost. It's not connected for some reason. I don't know what the fuck. So far so good. Fuels need to be adjusted greatly, but this is just the first test drive. Little turbo sounds, boy. I got the high beams on because that's the only bulbs that work in these headlights. Still got to wire up the oil pressure gauge. I already got the sending unit hooked on the back of the block for the oil, what is that, a sandwich plate? But I need to wire up the gauge so I make sure I got good oil pressure. For a first drive though, not bad at all. Still Still haven't got into boost, but check engine lights on. Can't really figure out what it is. Can't connect to the Neptune yet, but so far so good. It's not overheating. Finally cruising in the hatch again, boy. Man, I've been waiting a long time to drive this car. And she's boosted now. Not bad at all. I still haven't installed the fuel pump yet. I haven't got to the injectors. The fuel line still needs to be changed, but I just want to get it on the road. I've been dying to drive this car. It'll take me about 6 months to get to this point. I wish I documented more of it, but it's gonna be a journey from here on out, that's for sure. Yep, the hatch is finally driving around town under its own power. Last time I was going through town, it was on a tow truck. Everything seems to be going all right. Still got to break in this stage 4 clutch. I'm still in the break-in period, and I'm staying out of boost until I get tuned, or at least get hooked up to the Neptune on the computer so I can like adjust the air fuel, kind of street tune it myself before I can save up money to get on the dyno. Oh yeah. Put a good 18 miles on it just right now. Didn't have to call my wife, tell her to come pick me up because I'm broken on the side of the road. Things are going pretty good for the hatch. Didn't get everything done that I wanted to, but hey, this is the first time I've been able to drive it in 6 months, and I got boosted, so a lot more progress to come, but definitely some progress today. Pretty excited. One more little pull with the turbo sounds. Turbo, man, I swear, I'll bring a smile to your